First things first. Have you adjusted your mirrors?
All three of them. And I can see myself perfectly.
Oh, no. They're not for vanity. Your rear view mirrors are for seeing the view to your rear. Not your behind you.
But I won't be able to see myself having fun.
But driving a motor vehicle is not fun. It's serious business. Have you buckled your seatbelt?
I was going to, but this outfit just wrinkles so easily, so I thought...
Just do it.
But my outfit...
You're ugly.
Okay. Now, are you familiar with the gear shift?
You mean the Pringle?
The what?
The Pringle.
Are you referring to the shift lever that says PRNDL?
I'm not a child, Moseby. I know how to spell
It is not something you spell. It is a gear shift. The letters stand for
You're making me nervous with all this talk.
Oh, I'm sorry. Why don't we just relax? We'll turn on the radio. Would you like